Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to use Costco-Cineplex ticket online. So now, let's begin. First thing we need to do is search for Cineplex in your web browser. After that, go and sign in your account. Now, you need to navigate to Ticket and Passes section. Look for tickets and passes that is usually located under the Travel or Services tab. Now, select Cineplex Tickets. Click on Cineplex or Cineplex Theaters and choose the number of tickets you want to purchase and then add to cart. After that, complete the checkout process. And now, retrieve and use your ticket by logging into Costco account. Cineplex is currently not available on my country, but you should be able to do this. Just follow the instructions. And that is how to use Costco Cineplex ticket online. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.